Illegal, unreported, and unregulated, or IUU fishing is not only an economic concern, but also a matter of national reputation. Facing the EU's yellow card warning, border guards and local authorities are tightening control at fishing ports and resolutely handling violations to restore trust in Vietnam's seafood exports.
Day and night, officers at Quy Nhơn Port Border Station work alongside fisheries inspectors and local police to check every fishing vessels entering or leaving the harbor. Any boat without registration, inspection, or fishing license is prohibited from sailing.
We've inspected 13 violating vessels and fined 3 of them a total of more than $1,138.5.
Authorities have intensified checks on trawlers, a fishing method now banned, and vessels lacking proper documents or tracking devices.
When going out to sea, we must bring all our papers and present them to border guards for inspection.
Beyond enforcement, border forces also conduct regular outreach, educating fishermen about maritime laws and the importance of sustainable fishing.
We have attached clear responsibility to vessel owners and local leaders and strictly handle all violations.
In the first 9 months of 2025 alone, Gia Lai border guards detected 40 IUU cases, with fines totaling over $113,850. The province's firm stand reflects Vietnam's determination to lift the EU's yellow card and protect the nation's seafood reputation worldwide.